Okay, hey y'all, so I am going to be showing you all how to make a cute ornament for Christmas. Obviously, y'all know that we do sublimation here on this channel, so I just came on here to see like what are some cute designs that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how we will do it on our end as far as like with sublimation. Well, as far as the design part, if y'all want to see how to actually make it with a heat press as well, I could do a video on that, but I think that is pretty self-explanatory. But matter of fact, I'll just do it anyway. So I do recommend that you do get my ornament template here. You can check the description box. Yeah, so you want to come here and get access to the template that I use. I would recommend that you use the one that I have. And then once you do purchase it, then you'll go to, or you'll receive the download PNG with a transparent background. This is it here. We are going to use a template that I already, or a design that I already have. Well, actually, I'll just show y'all how to do it from scratch. I had already made one, but I'm going to go to elements and then literally going to look for, this is something that's going to take you 0.5 seconds. Maybe not 0.5 seconds, but you know what I mean. So Christmas background, and like we can find anyone that we want to use. So let's say we want to use this one. We can click on these three dots and we can say images background. Now I already have the Grinch on here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. If you want to know how to get this image, I use the AI tool Leonardo AI to get this. If you want this as well, just to get you started, I will do that for y'all. I'm gonna put it in the description box below as well. I'll leave a link so that you can get access to this. But yeah, so this is something that you can literally create again in 0.5 seconds. It does not take long. Obviously, you'll just delete this off and then you can go to share, and then I'm going to download this as a PNG. And then let's say you wanted to see this on a mock-up. I do have a mock-up here. All right, so you literally just want to upload what it is that you have, and you can just drag it and drop it in here. And then this is your mock-up. All you have to do is do share and download this as a PNG, and you can upload it to your Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media that you have. Or if you just want to see what it's going to look like yourself, this is what you can do. Also on my website, you all, I am now going to be, I know that, you know, a lot of people, you may not have access to necessarily like a heat press, or you may not have access to a lot of the material that is needed to make a shirt. So you can come here and you can actually upload your design, and then just add to cart, and I will actually make it for you. So I do just want to show y'all, I'm going to make a copy of this. I want to show you what else you can do. Being that, you know, I'm sure a lot of y'all are making templates that we have been using prior, you can also add them to an ornament. So that's one reason why I absolutely love this business that we are in, because we can repurpose our, I believe that's where we can repurpose our designs that we have. All right, y'all, so we are actually just going to design this from scratch. So I'm going to show y'all something easily that you can do. Let me find, I got, I'm going to do remove BG, and we're going to put her there, and then we can say, okay, so looking at these designs in our heart, that's literally what we're going to do. If you're having a hard time thinking of something, you can either go to AI. We're going to do in our heart. All right, so now y'all know how I feel about like the straight lines back there. So let me do clouds. Oop, I don't like that covering her face. Wanted to add in a dove here. I know we already have some on there, but it's okay. Oops, sorry. Put this one on here. And we can flip. Okay. So I'm just going to leave it at this because I will try to sit up here and keep designing. Okay, so we have in our heart April. I don't like that. Shouldn't I say? Oh, at Christmas and forever. So at Christmas where is the end button? And forever. All right, perfect. So there we have that. Anything else we want to have? Okay, I do like how they have this part in cursive. So we're pretty much going to do the same thing. Oh, I like that. There we go. Okay. So now what we can do, we can delete this off, and then we're going to do share, download, and we're going to save this as. All right, so we're going to upload our design that we just created, and there we have it. So here again, now all you have to do is just upload it on Instagram if this is something that you are wanting to sell, or this is where you can come to at least see what it's going to look like. Maybe you want this for yourself. Yeah. And then pretty much what you'll do from here, now that you know like this is what you exactly want it to look like, if you want me to do the printing, I can certainly do that for you. You will go to our website, which is Thrive, and then you can click on upload file, and you can upload your design, click done, and then you can add to cart, and then go ahead and purchase it, and then I will go ahead and do the printing for you, and I can ship it to your customer, or I can ship it to you directly. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Maybe we can go ahead and do another one. Okay, so I have this family portrait. I'm going to do replace background. This is a good one because as y'all can see, his face is cut off, and we do not want that. So how can we fix it? Let's take a look. We're going to do position, do layers, and then we're going to right click on this and then do detach image. Now we may need to play around with this ourselves. So this is why it's very important to have a guide so that you know exactly what your design is going to look like, because just imagine you printing that out and his head is cut off. So all right, so this is what we have here, and then I would possibly push it over just a little bit more, and then maybe we want to add some text here. We can do maybe Bryant, BR. I don't know where I get this name from. do effects, and we can add maybe a drop shadow if we wanted to. Bryant. And then we can do text. And maybe we do Christmas. CHRISTMAS. All right. So I don't like how it's covering up his face over there. So maybe we can do it like that. All right. Now, let's say we wanted to see what it's going to look like again. Delete that layer. Go to share, download. Current page, download, download. So there we have our design. And then again, you can go ahead and upload it and do what you like. All right, y'all. So that is the end of this video for real this time. So I really hope that you all were able to get something from it. And I hope that you're able to add it as well to your, again, your things to do for this Christmas season.